To gain 100 subscribers daily on YouTube, you'll need a combination of effective strategies focused on content creation, audience engagement, and channel promotion. Here's a comprehensive plan. 1. Consistent and high-quality content. Regular upload schedule, post videos consistently, whether it's daily, every other day, or weekly. This keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Value-driven content. Create content that provides value, whether it's educational, entertaining, or inspirational. Ensure your videos are well edited, with clear audio and visuals. Trending topics. Focus on trending topics, especially those related to your niche. Use tools like Google Trends or TubeBuddy to identify what's hot in your area of expertise. 2. Optimize your videos for discovery. SEO-friendly titles. Use keywords in your titles that people are searching for. Keep them catchy and to the point. Compelling thumbnails. Design eye-catching thumbnails that stand out. Bright colors, clear images, and text that teases the content are effective. Video descriptions. Write detailed descriptions that include relevant keywords. Add links to your social media, website, or other related videos. Tags. Use relevant tags to help YouTube understand your video's content and recommend it to the right audience. 3. To engage with your audience, respond to comments. Engage with viewers by replying to their comments. This builds a community and encourages more interaction. Call to action. Ask viewers to like, comment, and subscribe in every video. Make it a natural part of your content. Polls and Q&A. Use YouTube's community tab to engage with your audience by creating polls or asking questions. This keeps your channel active even when you're not posting videos. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Partner with other YouTubers in your niche. This can introduce your channel to a broader audience. Appear as a guest on other channels or podcasts. Promote your channel during these appearances. Promote your channel. Share your videos on all your social media platforms. Use hashtags and tag relevant people to increase visibility. Promote your YouTube channel on your website, blog, or other online platforms. Embed your videos in relevant blog posts or articles. If you have an email list, send out regular newsletters featuring your latest videos. Analyze and adapt. Regularly check your YouTube analytics to understand what's working and what's not. Look at metrics like watch time, audience retention, and click-through rates. Test different thumbnails, titles, and content formats to see what attracts more views and subscribers. So let's talk about creating shareable content. First up, viral potential. You want to create content that has the potential to go viral. Think about challenges, trendy topics, or even highly relatable content. Next, engagement hooks. It's really important to incorporate elements that encourage viewers to share your video. This could be thought-provoking questions, a bit of humor, or emotional stories that really resonate with people. Remember, the goal is to make your content so compelling that viewers just can't help but share it with their friends and followers. 8. Invest in paid promotion, which is optional. Consider using YouTube ads to promote your channel. You can target specific demographics that match your content's audience. Partner with influencers in your niche who can promote your channel to their followers. Organize your videos into playlists to increase watch time and encourage viewers to stay on your channel longer. Use end screens and cards to direct viewers to other videos on your channel, keeping them engaged. Create an engaging channel trailer that introduces new viewers to what your channel is about and encourages them to subscribe. 10. Patience and persistence. While aiming for rapid growth, remember that building a sustainable and engaged subscriber base takes time. Be patient, stay consistent, and keep improving. By implementing these strategies consistently, you can steadily increase your daily subscriber count and build a strong, loyal audience on YouTube.